Just need some sound and then it's good to go. Stupid thing, dude. There we go. Test. Nope. Dude. Jeez. I did not think it was going to take this long. Sorry, guys. I don't know. I hope it's working. I'm done fucking with it though. Alright, I think it's working. It usually shows up like this little thing there, but I don't know. Alright, sorry about that, guys. If it's not working, it's screwed. Alright, can you, hey Alexis, can you check and see if you can hear it on YouTube? Oh, you hear me? Alright, thanks. Appreciate that, John. Appreciate you, bro. Alright, so you guys that are on YouTube, if you want to chat with me live, head over to my Discord. You can join for free. And then once you're in the Discord, just head to the free section and join for free. Oops. Alright? Because I can't go back and forth when I'm trying to trade to do both of them, okay? Here's the link to the Discord. At last moment, Echo, can you hear me or no? I don't take vacations, my dude. It's probably because I have 2 of these going on. Yeah, it's because I had 2 of these going. It should be good now. Is it still echoing now? I don't think it's still echoing now. I think it's because I had 2 of those on there. Just head to my Discord, guys. I don't know how to, Okay, alright, cool. Okay, guys. You should just head to the Discord anyways, but, alright, what's up, Discord? Alright, you guys good? Let me, just, where is everybody, dude? Maybe I gotta start getting more notice. So, let me list out some questions. So, the goal of this is to help you guys, right? So, what are you guys having issues with in meme coins? Like, what are you struggling with? What do you want to learn? Like, let's see. Like, this is for you guys. Like, I'm doing this for you guys to help you. So, whatever you're struggling with, let's fucking knock it out. All right, I think that's everybody. Okay, okay, you got some people saying some. Finding a coin to trade without getting rugged all the time. Yeah, it's a tough one. Yeah, I'm completely new to meme coins, but I trade futures every day. Gotcha, gotcha. Well, welcome. Okay, so I can get to the first question. Okay. All right, so the first question was, how do I get into coins that aren't going to get rugged? That's a good question, man, because it is very difficult. So all my money on this one is locked up into my coin here. I'm kind of stuck in it because if I sell, I'm gonna sell it like a fucking bunch of loss. So I'm just hoping like eventually people pick it up. Um, yeah. All right. So I'll just have to do it over here, which sucks because you get much better opportunities on the other one. Fuck it. I don't know what to do with this. Hold on. Let me deposit some more money in here because all my money's wrapped like I have like $1,000 wrapped up in that coin. I should not have done that. There is a way to do it, but you gotta like I'm like it's weird, man. Because on 8 Pro, you get much better coins come up. Like I was even experimenting with it earlier, and on 8 Pro, the coins that come up are different. Like even with the same exact filters on, I don't know why. Maybe it has something to do with Jupiter. I mean that's my suspicion. So I know what you're talking about getting rogue. That's the word. That's the thing. That's an account killer because it's one thing to lose 50%, 60%, but to lose 100%, like that sucks, man. That's the worst to me. That shit sucks. Getting in and out, when to buy and sell. Okay, okay, I like it. All right, I can handle that. And voila. Okay. Mm, fucking CA. There we go. So I'm just gonna deposit like $400, something like that. 2.8 Solana. Do I sound bad to anyone else? Maybe I need to close some of these windows. Okay, cool. Maybe it was just him. Again, if you guys are on Discord, you need to head over to. If you're on the YouTube, just head over to my Discord. It's free. You can join for free, just so you don't have to be on board. So that way you can talk to me, right? Okay. So let's start with how to find coins. I think that's a good place to start. So my suggestion first off is to get on 8 Pro because, like I said, the it just shows you different coins. Period. It just shows you a better set of coins. I don't know why. Even with the same exact filters. So if you don't have the filters yet, you're gonna want to head to the Discord here, and then in the free section or paid section, I have it pinned as the pinned comment here. So you go to the pinned messages here, you just copy from below my message there, copy, put it into 8 Pro, go to import. I know Axiom and Bullux is great, but those platforms fucking eat your Solana alive. It's almost impossible to get profitable on them because how much Solana they're taking out of your account per trade. It's just almost it is impossible. unless you're getting like 10x per trade, which is not realistic. So the only thing I'm going to change here from the settings here is I'm going to lower the market cap just so I get better opportunities to 10K. For me personally, I'm not trying to enter into coins that are migrated. I will if it's a special opportunity, but for me personally, I've been finding the most opportunity from like 10K to 40K entry. And if you guys want to get in on this, and then you can tell here, like I've had a lot of referrals and they give me $31. Like if I was on Axiom, like Axiom's taking your money, giving it to the affiliates, and then the affiliates are rugging your coins because they're going on every single contract address that's posted and calling them rugs. So it's kind of fucked up. They're taking your money, giving it to affiliates that are within rugging your coins. Like, could it be any more fucked? Like, I don't think it could be more fucked up. It's literally like ultimate fucked up. Like, it's just like, I talked to Axiom about it. I said, you guys got to stop calling coin scams when they're not even bundled. We'll take care of it. Didn't do anything about it. Hit them up again. Oh, we're sorry about that. We'll get a handle on that. And they haven't done shit about it. So I was just like, I'm done with y'all. It's just fucked up. So my suggestion is get on here. This is by Jupiter. Jupiter makes this trading platform. Jupiter runs Solana. Obviously, they don't need to steal your Solana and take too much of it. All right, so now I'm on this page here. Now I have a set of coins here, which usually I look at like the first 10. The newer, the better. So we have 12K. The first thing I want to look at here is holders. That's like really the first thing that attracts my eye. Like which one has the most holders out of all these? So this one right here has 1,500 Grope Dog, and then the liquidity. So that's second. I say okay, so it's above 7K. That's good for a newly launched coin. But you also see there's coins like this one that's at 18K that has higher liquidity. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna go up or anything, but it's just something to look at. So now let's go to Grope Dog. We know that that's in the current narrative right now. Let's check it out. So it's already graduated coin. That's why I'm already in this one on over here. Yeah, I'm already in this coin. Let me just go ahead and exit this one. What is that, John? I don't hear anything. Alright. So that one's already migrated. Let's go back. Okay, so we have law up. 103 holders. Liquidity is pretty high though. ETC. I'm really looking for something that catches my eye that's kind of crypto-ish, right? So let's check out ETC. And you see, like, you won't see these on BullX Watch. Like, a couple of them, but you don't see that new one. And you don't, like, these are all much higher market cap. You see low and law up in this one, but it's the same filters. Okay, so I'm not. This shit's all fucked up. I messed with it, now it's all driving me nuts. That's better. A little bit better. Not really, though. Okay, you can see here, like, this is one way to tell if it's a scam coin. Like, look at this. That's a bot just buying $1.50 over and over again. If you go to holders here, this will tell you a lot, too. So any coin that has under, like, doesn't have a holder above 3% is probably a scam coin. In my opinion, like you should at least have one person for it to go up at this low of a market cap. For it to go up, someone at least had to buy 3%, right? So this tells me that this, especially 2.9, 2.3, there it goes. Every one of those 2.9s that were there were bundled, right? So and I've calculated you at least have to have like 15% of the total float to rug it. So you can go to rug checker and look, and as long as I don't have over 15%, it's probably not going to get rugged, right? They can sell it once, it might make it drop really fast, but it's not going to do that. So I also have top traded here, which is also very good. So if we go to filters here, same filters, I just lower the market cap and take off the max, and then everything else is the same. And then I just move this to 5 minutes, and I'm gonna press on this button right here. It's gonna show me very, very new coins right now. So these are ones that have the highest volume, like the top traded coins out right now. So we have slow cook here. I like that. It's like crypto related. Check the holders. Look, oh, 3.8%. That's normal. And then I like to scroll down and look all the way. So if it goes all the way to 0.01 and keeps going all the way down, and it looks too perfect if it's like 2.20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, all the way up, and it's just too perfect, that's usually someone bundling it. There we go. Much better. Okay. So now I've came up with like a way for me to get into these coins that I'm interested in. So rule number one is like, is the volume increasing? So I want to see the volume decreasing on down moves. Decreasing. So you notice how the volume decreased here on the down move. And then on the up move, I want to see the volume increasing. So is that taking place? Yeah. It's increasing. So check. And no one has over like 5% of it, 4 to 5%, check. If it's over 20K, I want the liquidity to be at least 10K. Axiom's liquidity is so off, it will show you like 30K or something like that. It's way off. And then we'll go and search the CA on Twitter to make sure people are talking about it. Those are like the main things I look for. So we got 1, 2, it's got a retard on there, Jesus Christ. Okay, that's pretty, it made me laugh. All right, makes me a little bit more interested in it. Right, it's pretty funny that a fucking retard on there. Okay, that makes me like it a lot more. So I think meme coins should be funny or either inspirational in some kind of way. Those are usually the coins I find the best. The ones that are negative, I don't really fuck with. I've never really had any luck with them. Not getting over it. Like sometimes they'll migrate, but then they just get killed anyways. I think it needs to be positivity based. Just like that dude that shot himself in the face for a meme coin, like to have everyone make him a meme coin. That coin went to shit, but then the one that was like life, what was it? Life is valuable. It's related to that dude's death, but it was a positive spin on it, and it went to like 4 million. Got into 80K, ran it up to like 4 million. Pretty easy trade. All right, so now I don't enter in until I see the previous candles high being taken out. That way I'm not like entering in as it's going down. All right, looks pretty decent here. Then my goal, if I like everything checks out, my goal is to get as much of it as I can. As much as I can. At the highest percentage amount as I can. So 1 Solana is probably going to get me like 1%. Yeah, 1%. So I'm going to buy another Solana worth here. Because I want to control the float, right? The more I can control, the better. So now I have about 2%. I don't really want to enter more than that until I feel a little bit more comfortable with it. Because I don't know if they're still trying to cheat on it. Someone's up 2K. There's always somebody up 2x from where you entered in at. So if he entered in here, he's up 3x right now. That's another thing I try to keep in my mind is like, okay, is there someone that is trying to actively sell always, and they're up 100%. So I try to keep that in mind. Like even if you look at consolidations on coins, you can directly see the 2x's. So like you had a consolidation here at 7K, and then a sell-off at 14. You had a consolidation at 10K, and a sell-off at 20K. You had a consolidation at 22K. You had a sell-off at like 35K. Not quite 2x. And then there's 2x right there. So it's just how it goes. Like, people are trying to sell it 100% usually. And my motto is like, sell first, ask questions later. That's how I kind of go about it. So I'm going to try to like save this by doing this. Like buy a small amount a bunch of times, and it makes the chart like look really bullish, and people like jump in. It causes people to chase price for some reason. I'm not sure why. But if you do it too much, it looks like a bot, and I think I did it too much there probably. But if you just do it like 4 times, like four buys in a row, really fast, it creates like a I don't know, I think people start fiending and they like will chase price a little bit. But I'm probably gonna get out of this one. It doesn't look like there's much interest in it anymore. Yeah, there's some people bought in with me there. All right, maybe I will go now. That story is crazy. This shit's fucked up, dude. I watched that video. I was like, holy shit. I was like in shock. I did not expect it. I didn't think it was real. Like the thing was like, dude kills himself or something. I looked and I was like, oh shit. And then I screen recorded it because I couldn't tell if it was fake or real. I screen recorded it and it was real. I went through in slow mo on my app there, and no, it was real. All right, so whoever's got the most of the float here is just cheating, and they just don't give a fuck. Some dude bought 6% out of desperation, just to try to make it go up, and whoever has all the float just selling. So I'm just gonna get out. Like, there's no point in sitting there just like hoping it works. It's obviously it may come back later or something, but I'm not gonna waste my time. There's plenty of opportunities. There's always more opportunities. So we have YT down Spurdo. Let's check YT. So this has a lot of volume, right? Like in the last, since it's been alive, it's got 165K volume. That's incredible for a new coin. I don't know why. Yeezy TV. Usually Kanye West coins do very well for some reason, especially if they just come out of the random. So is the volume going up on up moves and down on down moves? Yeah, check. Is the liquidity over 10K? No, not yet. Does anyone own too much of it? No. Is anyone talking about it? If you follow these, like what I'm doing right now, it's really hard to lose in out of a set of coins because, and then you wait for the previous candle to get taken out. Preferably, I might wait until the liquidity gets a little bit higher here because the liquidity is the amount of Solana that it can be withdrawn from the coin and it survive, right? So if it's that low, only 27 more Solana can get pulled out of this coin until it dies. That's not very many, right? Especially because these holders have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 1, 2, 3, yeah, they got 16, and then there's their 2 each. So someone's going to lose here, and it's not going to be me. Yeah, let's move on. There's no real, I don't see any opportunities on this one, really. Okay. That's when I'll go to the new section here and have a look here. Alright, so which one has the most holders? This one, but that one's already established. What about out of these three? Which one? The YT one we were just looking at. This is in the Grok kind of like thing right now. Let's check it out. A lot of these coins fail at 20K though, so I've been trading them to 20K, but I kept getting blasted on after 20K, so I really don't try to fuck with them after 20K. If I can get in early enough, I'll fuck with them. So that one's going back up. Now the liquidity is back above 9K at least. Okay, I don't mind this here. I'm not trying to wait until it takes out the high though either. So I'm gonna watch the liquidity and wait for it to go up here, and then I'll enter in. Because the liquidity going up, like sometimes you'll see price not going up, but the liquidity going up, and that's a good sign. Or price going up and the liquidity going down. So this is probably the most underwatched metric. Like I would never enter into a coin with 7K liquidity, never. It's just not enough to handle any kind of sells or anything like that. All right, so let's check out law up. This happens to me a lot. Like the same coin will keep popping up over and over again, and I'll ignore it, and then I come back later and I see it's like way, way higher. So someone owns 5% of it. That's not good. It does look decent here though. All right, now liquidity is about 10K. I feel like I should have entered, but I hesitated there. All right. Let's see what it is. See if it's worth it or not. Legal intelligence powered by AI. What does that have to do with crypto though, bro? Are you a scammer? I think it's a scammer, man. Okay, so it's been locked. It probably is a scam coin, but it doesn't mean it won't go up in the meantime. We'll come back to it if it. We'll come back to it. So with Elon Musk token, it's good. I think later at night. That's why I usually do the streams later at night. Those are times that are usually better. All right, I'm fucking buying this YT coin. This is like that's enough. All right, I just went through all of it. Were you not watching? I'll go over it again. You'll see me go over it again. You just hopped on, huh, bro? Sorry for the attitude. I was just like, damn, I just went over it like 3 times, but it's all good. I'll go over it again, man. All right, so I entered in here. I'm gonna keep a really tight stop, like below that area right there. I'm out. Like I don't understand why they do this. Why they won't just stop selling for a fucking second and let the coin go up. It just makes no sense to me. My theory is always like sell. If it goes against me, I'm just gonna get the fuck out and re-enter. I'm the same way with futures trading. Like you just can't like big losses are gonna kill your chances of success. Like it's just what it is. You can't succeed with big ass losses. Some people are like, I don't sell, I just wait for it to come back. Sometimes they come back, but you're taking 100% losses, then like it's gonna be so hard to be profitable. All right, these motherfuckers are relentless. All right, done with that one. So we have Yeezy TV. Someone else came out with another coin. Smart. It might be the same people though. It probably is. It's probably the same people. Smart guys. I don't know how they get it to go up like that. They must have to put in like 20K into it or something. Down syndrome Pepe. I like it. I like it. No one owns too much of it. First criteria is no one has more than 4%. I'm going to kind of cheat into this just so I don't miss out. And then the second criteria is the volume going up on up moves and not going higher on down moves. So we do have kind of like a So it is going up, right? But this down move here, the volume spiked there. So that's not usually what I want to see. It is early though, so we'll have to see. And then we're going to check and search the CA on Twitter and make sure that people are at least talking about it, which is really good for it being only at 10K for 2 people already post about it. That's unnormal. That's good. And then that's about it. Like it's just the filters take care of the rest. Like it's not going to show you like coins. Most of these are high volume, so not saying there isn't losses, but there's a lot less. And I want to kind of like look at this in depth here and like see what's up with it. Oh, see, I don't like this one. I don't like how it goes from 0.1 all the way up. So you gotta be careful of these ones. So I'm actually gonna size down a little bit. Just because of that. Whenever I see that, like, I'm not, like, I haven't ran the data on it, but a good percentage of them I get blasted on. Let's see. So the way I'll tell it from here is I'll go to, like, rug checker and see if someone does actually own a lot of it. Yeah, bro, all the fucking time, dude. I call it one clipping. It's not really rugging. I did get rugged earlier, like an actual rug pull, because I didn't have the settings right. But yeah, I have. I call it one clipping. They just sell all at once. All right, so this dude can't rug clip it. Even if he wanted to, he couldn't. So he doesn't have enough of it. He only has 2% of the coin. So I think we're good then, unless he's got it in actual different wallets. It's hard to say. Yeah, so rug pull is like what happened to me earlier. Than this coin called. I'll show you guys in a second. Kuro. So I entered in like $40 worth, and then it went up to like 33x, and then I went to sell, and it sold 50 cents worth. So I literally can't get out of this. Even if I wanted to, I can't. Oh, it let me out, but it only watch, but it only sold like $4 worth of it, right? Because there was no liquidity. All the liquidity is gone. That's a rug pull. That's what they mean by rug pull. Like they pull the rug by taking the liquidity out of the actual liquidity pool. All right, so far so good. It is a little suspicious, the price action here, but we'll see. It's just this isn't like the 0.3 is weird. Let's watch these and see if they start growing, right? If they start growing a little bit at a time, then we know that it's someone buying with a bot that's accumulating it on the low, and he's going to sell it all at once. So he is, yeah. He's accumulating. See this, guys? He's accumulating it with all these different wallets, very small amounts. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of that before I get rug pulled. Yeah, you see that? So that's the way you tell. You watch the, like this, 0.4 to 0.4. That's him accumulating on the low. Like, no one thinks to check this shit. And then he's probably doing it, yeah, he's doing it all the way up, too. So he's probably got, like, he probably has the whole flow. And you can't detect it with the rug checker. Because I think he's probably buying them with different accounts. Alright. That sucks because that one could go. It's always the good ones, too. Okay, so we got E-buy. B. No, it kind of keeps attracting my attention. So Blackfest. Okay, so it's like that please baby talk coin narrative we had the other day. They're gonna cheat on me. They're just dumb. I don't know why they don't just like stop selling. And they sell it to 0. So that sucks. I shouldn't have done that. I don't know why I did that. I just jumped in kind of randomly. Maybe I'll get lucky, but I shouldn't have done that. That was bad risk management. I got excited. This dude's a dick. All right. It is what it is. Right. The slow cook is still alive. It's the first one we looked at. It actually came back from that low. Nice. Very nice, actually. This is dope. Jesus Christ. Oh, it didn't sell all of it. I was like, I did not just take that big a loss on that. I was about to freak out. Let's see how many people are talking about it. I don't want to sit there and like be stuck in it, you know what I'm saying? This is that funny one, the retard one. Yeah, so still a lot of people are talking about it. People are like, does it have to be like an actual slow cook though? I think I just want to buy in a little bit of it. Once it gets closer to migration, I'll buy more. I don't want to sit there and babysit it though. Alright, so ski mask. You can tell the picture's made with AI. It's not very good. Let's check out BCTP. Bitcoin Preserve. Someone owns 7% of it. It probably migrates though. Alright, so I have a rule against coins that have spaces. I don't trade them. Because I don't I hate that shit because all it takes is one dude to come on there and say something negative and the whole coin will die. I hate that. Let's check the holders here. Again, same shit. Yeah, see that? They're sneaky. I just realized that now, though. I've always noticed like the 0.1, but I didn't never thought to think and look at it like, are those numbers growing there? I think that will really help me because I couldn't tell before. Like, there's nothing more frustrating than getting a coin that looks good and everything's straight, and then right before migration, they one clip it. Like, that is like literally the worst thing to me. We'll have to see with these two what happens with them. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. I'd rather be wrong than get into shit like that and get blasted on. Hmm. Fuck, is this one like that too? It is. I don't think so. This one's not acting the same as the other one. Like, I don't see the numbers moving very much. And the value's going to change with the coin too. So, okay, I'm going to get into this one. I think this one's normal. Oh, no. Uh, all right, so we know that's what it is. All right, cool. Fuck. That's one clipping bitch. Shit, I hate these fuckers, dude. All right, so we know that's the thing. Like if they have 0.01 all the way to 0.01 and they're moving quickly, then we know that that's the shit. Yeah, I don't fuck with coins with Twitter Spaces because all it takes is one dude to get on there and say something negative and it kills it. So we have Chain Cheese and CS. Which one's got the most holders? CS does, and it's a lower market cap. Yeah, they had 0.01 too. So we have Chain Cheese. I don't know what the fuck's up with that. There's a lot of these happening right now. Usually isn't this money. I think this one looks alright though. The price action looks decent. What's up with that? Oh, that's cool. Is it just for meme coins or is it for everything? Oh, that's what's up. Alright, so I entered in there. It's really early though. It still might die. I just don't understand how they get it up here. Like, how do you get the coin up there? You must have just have to buy like 10k of it. Like, I don't understand another. I don't know of another way. Like when I launch a meme coin, it doesn't fucking move. Oh, that's what's up. At that time, it worked. All right, there it goes. Cool. Finally, dude. Now the 20k level. Now the 20k level comes. 20k gets a bitch. Especially if it consolidated 10k like this one did. So all those people that got in here are now, they probably sold there though, so it's probably people here. Yeah, 10k straight, 13. The worst thing is when you get in at like 14k and then it goes to 28 and then you sit in 100% gain and you don't sell and then it comes back. I hate that. It happens to me all the time. Because I'll be like, there's one this morning that was this was bald dude and it said, don't fade this. I was like, this is fucking dope. And then it went to like 10k straight up to 30, and I could have sold for like a 200% gain. I didn't, and it came back and stopped me out. I was just like, ugh. Maybe it's like a copycat coin, like they already made it. Alright, so this has really high volume. It's already got 68k volume. Not many holders for that high of volume though. So it probably means there's people scalping it. Let's see if they buy the dip here. Now, what I'm doing right now is watching to see if the top 10 or top 5 holders are selling or not. If they're holding strong, then it should go back up. If they're not, then it probably goes down. Which I don't see them selling anything, so that's very good. So one of them just sold $500 worth. But my order there, it went through really fast. It covered up that big ass order that dude did. All right, they're not gonna stop selling apparently. Because they're fucking idiots. We'll give it a second. No, probably not. No, not unless people are like wanted me to do it. It's just it's recorded, so you can watch it. I'm gonna get out of that, guys. Like, as you can see, like, they're just selling the fuck out of it. It's wasting my time. And as long as you keep your losses small, eventually you'll come across a coin that's decent, that you'll win on, that will go up, and then it's all good. Like, but if you have big ass losses, you're not gonna be able to do that. So slow cook still cooking. Sperato, I saw that one earlier. Let's check it out. So it just migrated, I think. Oh, God. I'm good on that. What you got there, my dude? Yeah, I saw this one earlier. About to migrate, huh? Yeah, I think I didn't like it. I don't think I liked it because the market, because someone owns 6%, but obviously they're not killing it, so it's probably a good one to get into. I think I like it. I like it, yeah. Looks like it's probably definitely gonna migrate. The only thing I did not like about it was this dude that had the high holding, but I think it's alright. I am gonna check the rogue tracker to make sure he's not holding some on the side too or anything. Because the only way that they can kill it is if they own like 15 to 20%. Then they can like one clip, but other than that, they can't. But I think they found a new way to get around it. It seems like. Oh yeah, for sure, John. You know what it is. Damn. Hey, no, it's not cracking. It's there. So why don't you guys come over to my Discord? The link's right up there. You can get in for free. You can join the stream for free. That way you can actually chat with me. It's not working, man. There we go. Okay. So yeah, 7%. So if he has 7% and he holds 6 on the coin, that's a little bit iffy. But I feel like if he was already gonna kill it, he probably would have, right? So in this case, I'll just buy in like a little bit and then put my stop down there and wait for a dip, possibly. People think bundles are bad. They're not actually bad. It's just like once you create a coin yourself, you realize you have to do it to get it off the ground. There's too much competition between coins to not do it. Like this coin I made and I bought a fuck ton of it. Like I have 500 on here, 250 on here, and then I had another 2 Solana worth on the Pump Fund wallet, and it won't fucking move, dude. As you see on my buying there, like this, you have to bundle it and you have to buy a fuck ton of it to even get it off the ground to get people to see it. Unfortunately, so we have down Riz. A lot of coins with the name Riz seem to do really well. I feel like. So I think it's a Down syndrome, dude. I think it is. If it is, that's dope. So it has rising volume, and then when it went down, it declined. But now it's kind of like stalling out there. So we'll see if we can get over 20K. Now is not the best time to trade meme coins. Usually, like a little bit later, it gets better. Let's check back on slow cook on here over here and see what's up. So it's grinding up. It is like a slow cook for real though. It's looking pretty decent there though. So I think I'm just gonna get out of my coin that I made. My coin's funny. It's just like I think I needed more money in it. All right. Okay. What market cap did it get me out at? It got me out at 4K. Got me out at 5K 200. Okay. So I definitely lost a little bit of money on that. Not much though. Now I can actually trade with size. It's much easier when you have size because you can bully coins around. It's much easier. Like when you enter in a coin with 2 Solana at like 10K, like it makes it go up immediately. It's much easier. All right, there we go. All right, so hopefully you're seeing like I don't know if there's anything you're doing wrong. It's just like a lot of coins get cheated on, but I think we have a way to find that though. So Ast is weird. Um, Definitely attracted my attention. So we have FT Rump. It doesn't. I think this one is weird, so I want to check it out. Still hasn't asked. Okay. I think because it's weird, it's going to people clicked on it like I did because it's weird. Be careful with this one. I'm not sure if it's a scam or not. It kind of looks like it. But see, if I would have bought with like point 0.2, that probably wouldn't happen because people saw my large order and it causes them to buy. So that's what like buying with size really helps a lot. And then it makes it really easy to make money too because now I'm on 26%. I made $71. So I made like $70 there. Pretty easy, right? Let's check back on Slow Cook's the one I'm interested in though because it's funny. It's got like a retard on it, and we know it's not a scam coin because they already tried to kill it. So whoever did that there is done. This is the opportunity I think here because it's got everything that I'm like looking for. Bad time to buy though. If I would have bought up there, would have pushed it up, and then people would have followed suit. But it's still looking like it's down. So I'm just gonna get out there instead of holding through a loss because I know they're gonna sell it down lower. And then once it looks like it's curling back up, I'll buy in again. Now let's check out this coin. It should have migrated by now. It's about to. There it goes. It was a good call on that. Let's get some money, bro. So there's, ooh, I like that one that popped up there for a second. Damn, I shouldn't have exited Ask. It's still going. So let's check out Evan here. I'm at the beach. What the fuck? Who cares, bro? What is that? How's that a meme coin? Oh, there's a retard theme going on right now. All right, now I get it. Okay, that's why there's all the retard coins. Okay, that makes more sense. This one's about to pop here any second. There she goes. When we get like a decent pop here that's like to 20, that would be cool. And they sold it. There we go. I don't like to see the volume here. This is a red flag and a half. So the volume's up, little down dip, volume dipped with it, but it's kept dipping since then. So that's definitely a red flag. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Damn, it looks like Ask's gonna migrate. That sucks. Dope. Migrated. All right, so I think I'm being a little bit too picky with the order flow here. I just don't like it. Sucks when you're trading with a little bit more size and you get shit on like that. Oh, it's not, it hasn't even migrated yet. This is them showing me the migration right now. It's migrating right now, and it's like a flaw within the system. It like shows you what's going on underneath the hood, and it's not supposed to do that. Sometimes it will let you in as it migrates, though. It's like a glitch. So they're transferring over the liquidity pool. So just let me in. Let's see what happens here. So they're obviously still transferring it over. You think? Let's check on slow cook here. All right, much better here. Yeah, see, much better, right? My big buy order led to more buying. That's very good. And they sold it again. Just let it cook, I guess. I don't. It's aggravating. This is scalpers, man. Scalpers are all over this shit. You can tell by how they're holding the trend line. They're buying here, selling at the trend line, buying, selling at the trend line. Let's see if Axiom affiliates are going to talk shit about it. Oh, look, what do you know, guys? It's not even bundled. This bitch ain't even bundled. Look at it. calling it a scam. So they're literally taking your guys' money, giving it to this dude, and then he's rugging your coins. It's just fucking beautiful. It's just such a beautiful process. I think people may be getting used to it, but at first, when they first started doing it, it like they were the top of the coins over and over, like every coin pretty much. You would look at like their post, and it would be the top of it. I think this might run here, but I'm not trying to get any coins after migration. Yeah, so Bitcoin, Grok 2.0, howdy, and that coin I fucking sold way early. So that's 3 coins I've been in that migrated, and I kind of like got out of them because I didn't trust it. But I'd rather be careful than get burnt. First down syndrome coin, so it fits in the little narrative. You see the narrative, it's like retard shit. Like retard coins are the narrative right now. So is the volume increasing? Yeah. Decreasing on down moves? Yeah. We have a spike there though. I'm just waiting for it to round up a little bit more, so when I buy it, we'll push it up. There we go. But if they sell on me, I'm not playing that game. Like they'll wait for people to in size to get in, they'll sell because it gives them a chance to get out without killing the coin. Slow Cook's doing all right there. There we go. Very nice. Thick. Let's go. And then one winner, as you guys will see, like if I get one that goes to migration, I'll make like $1,000. It's just like keeping my losers really small in the meantime, allowing for that trade to like still have Solana up before that trade happens. Let's check back on this coin here, make sure I'm not like in an L or anything. So it's doing alright. So now I'm up $180. So you guys see? So there's 148 holders. That's quite a few. You got to watch these coins at this level here, though. So I need 36 as a double up. That's really, I'm shooting for a double up. And then I can exit out half and make the rest free. That's my goal. So I bought 300 and I sell 300 right now and make the remaining $82 free. I might do that if it stalls out here. Because my goal is to get my risk off the table. If I can stay in the coin with a decent amount, whether like $100, and stay in the coin and not having a risk on the table, that's really good. That's what I'm like shooting for. So let's see if they stall it out or they push it up here. It got over, it held 20k really well. And you still don't know if it's a 1 jeter. It could be, you never know. And if that's the case, you lose 100%, all of it's gone. So it's a lot of money to lose all at once. So we're at 230. I need just a little bit more here and I can sell 50% and then stay in the coin. So no one's really buying there. I feel like they're probably, oh, there we go. One more buy and it goes. Whoever has the float though is being smart right now. Whoever owns like the most is not selling. Not everybody that's smart. It's also kind of suspicious. A little more. Alright, so I'm not going to get cheated on, so I'm going to sell out half there. And now I bought 300. and I sold 227. That means I have a remaining risk of $70 on the table. Not too bad. So now if I put my stop at break even, it's a guaranteed win because I profit at 128. I have a unrealized, or I've realized $75 of profit. So if you do 227 plus 75, that would put you at, I would still make money even if I got stopped out at break even. So why I would not make a lot of money, I would not take a loss. And that's the goal. The first goal is not to lose, right? That should be your first goal. And then the second goal is to make money. So it looks like slow cook. I'm taking an L here a little bit. Yeah. These guys are relentless in the selling. Fucking douchebag pieces of shit. So now I'm going to push it up just so I can get the fuck out. The cool thing about this market is there's not a lot of liquidity yet. So if you got a little bit of money, you can move the market. And I think that's a major edge, right? Because just to being able to do that, it's really cool. And it's kind of neat to see. Now let's check back on my dog here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So now I really wish I wouldn't have sold any because I'd be up really big right now. But like I said, the first goal is not to lose. Second goal is to make money. Alright, so the Jeter is back. He's just not, they're just not giving a flying fuck here. I'm almost break even though. So yeah, I would expect them to G at the trend line here, which is like one push away. We'll see. Maybe this is the one that breaks it. Maybe they're waiting for the trend line here and they do stop selling for a second, but unlikely. Okay, okay. Oh, there he goes. Piece of shit. Okay. Alright, so now it's turned from a losing into winning trade. He's still selling though. Let's see if he cheats on it here. So now you see my balance is really rising here quickly. Look at that, guys. It was like 600 a minute ago. So Bitcoin is doing really good. Now I'm at 100% gain. So there's 2x right there. Now I still don't know if they're gonna like G at migration, so I'm gonna sell out half more there. This coin's pretty healthy. It's a really steep trend, so my thinking is at some point it's probably going to retrace back down. I don't want to leave all my profits in there. I want to make sure I pay myself, you know. Alright, let's see if they're going to finally let this run here, or if they're just going to keep cheating here. Because now I've got $100 in it, because I have so much of it. I'm at top, I have almost 3% of the fucking coin. But I had no choice. It was like either that or take a $100 loss. I'd rather just do this. And I do like the coin. I just don't like whoever has the rest of the supply as being a bitch. Maybe he's out now, and maybe that's why it's going up. That would be cool, because then it will run hard, because I don't want to sell. I'm not going to sell if it keeps going up. So if you hold the supply, then you can control the coin, right? Like, you think about the people that buy $2,000-$3,000 worth, they have like 20% of the coin, and then they like dictate what happens, but they're the only ones that can kill it. Like, everyone could sell together, but it's not going to kill the coin. And there's the after migration fucking killed because of the axiom. The coins used to not, like, coins used to run right after migration, not die until them fucks came around. Alright, so I'm up 41%, up $250 there. So again, as long as that other dude that's holding the supply with me, he's not selling, I'm not selling. Like, we'll just let it ride. I'm watching his supply though. I'm like, he's at 3.81. Cool. He's got 1,100. I got 800. I got $934 over. See how my balance is really like rising quickly now? 1,400, guys. So this is like what pays to get in coins early, because you get like, that's a 40% gain. A migrated coin, even trying to get a 40% gain is pretty hard. And from here where I bought that second time, I'm at 2x already. So here I'm at 2x from there. So it's just a little move up, really. Alright, so Bitcoin, let's go, my dude. So I've made $271 off of this coin. Alright. Yeah. So the tides turn. See, I took a lot of losses in the beginning, and then it starts to you get the flow of the market. You figure out what the narrative is. The narrative is retards. And you trade the retard coins. You get in early. You catch pretty decent moves. Alright, so they're cheating again. Let's check. So he still hasn't sold anything. That dude hasn't sold anything. It's just people selling a little bit. So again, I think this coin does migrate, and I do have a lot of it. So 2.5, 3.81. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that so I can remember. They didn't. They did. Oh, it's migrating. That's why. Quit fucking with me, dude. God damn. Fucking, they're pissed me off with this shit. It's migrating. It scared the fuck out of me. I thought it like cheated, and then it went up to 2 million, 5 million. It's just migrating. It's just them fucking. I wish it'd let you sell though. That would be dope. So this one migrated and then dropped it. Let's see if Axiom got a hold of it. 2 minutes ago. So I wouldn't fuck with them if I was you guys, unless you like giving the dudes your money that are fucking wrecking your shit. 2 minutes ago. It's them, dude. They cause everyone to sell. Everyone checks the CAs. Ain't no one fucking with coins that are being called a scam. And they're calling them all scams. Even if it's not bundled, they're like, scam. Danger. Click my link, please. Fucking hate them, dude. You hear my voice. I fucking hate them dudes, man. It's like the worst thing in the world. Like, you're going to, like, as an affiliate, you should be helping the people you're, like, the company and the people that you're, like, you should be creating content, providing value, guarantees, not fucking wrecking the coins that they're trading. Like, that's, like, to me, that's the most ass backward thing. So, after migration here, you want to watch to see what it does. We know that the migration dudes are going to, the Axiom dudes are going to kill it. I would have sold up here, but I was, like, fucking distracted, dude. But if we do the math here, 20k, guys, 269k. 2, 4, 6. So 3.5x. That's really good, guys. Like, trying to get that after a migrated coin is almost impossible. It's not impossible, but it's rare. You have to get really lucky. Slow cook's cooking still. It's cooking still. Alright, so I like how it got back above the trend line. I think that's very solid. Very solid there. Now I start asking myself, like, would I enter into this trade if I wasn't already in it? Like, would I enter into it? Probably not. No, I wouldn't. So then it makes me want to kind of sell. I would be thinking about it here, but, I don't know, retarded Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, dude. It's kind of silly. So I'm gonna get ready to sell some more here because it is a retarded Bitcoin. So I'm watching the liquidity here. Is it going to stay above 9.5? So I won't touch a coin after migration if it goes below 9.5k liquidity. I just won't touch it. So it's back above 10k there. Now we have the fight going on. So the people that bought with me are selling here. People that pushed it into migration are probably selling at a loss. So now there's a fight going on here. You have that 2x fight, right? So people are going to be more quickly to cheat out, especially if they're at a loss. So slow cook is kind of going down there. Let's look what's going on with this bitch. The top 3 holders have not sold a fucking dime though. Yeah, it's broke the trend line. Usually these coins live and die on the trend line. I'll give it 1 second here, but I'm probably gonna get out. Yeah, there it goes. So if it would have held the trend line here, it had a chance. There's still a chance that you put this trend line like this and it survives. Like it could bounce here, but I don't want to like bet the rest of my bag on it. I could have made a lot more money on that. I kind of fucked that one up. Not kinda, I did fuck it up. So I could have made a lot more money if I was a little bit more patient with my selling. But again, it's the goal is not to take losses, and then money comes second to that. Because if I don't take losses, or big losses at least, I can continue to trade. But if I take big losses, I can't trade anymore. Like all my Solana's gone. I want to stay in the game for as long as possible. So now I'm going to take off 75%, maybe 10% more, and I just leave the rest on forever, really, until it goes to 0. And then just because I hate going back and seeing coins that go way the fuck up later, and I like missed out on it. I hate that. All right, so it's going back up here. That's good. And you give it like a little push there. I don't know, man. Like it's like wearing on me a little bit. It's got the retarded theme. I just don't know why people aren't buying it. I think it's because it's so old now, and people got sick of getting cheated on. So what I'm gonna do here is like put like my stop at break a little bit above break even here, like 75% of it, and I'll put the remaining 25% below that. So I'm doing pretty good though. I'm up well over $600 so far, so not too bad. Obviously half of that's just paper profits here, but bro. Oh. That was the order. Okay, I guess let's leave it there. Alright, any questions, guys? Yeah, it is. It's way worth switching. Did dope go up? Oh, yeah, it's kind of chilling there. So we have Cappy and Bert. Let's check Bert out here. Yeah, because you're not going to be profitable with Bull X2. They take too much fees. It's almost impossible. Like I traded on there for like a month the last time. I didn't switch wallets, and I had over $3,000 of Solana missing. Just gone. Just poof. So we have Bert. If this is actually real, it's probably gonna be big, but I don't know if it's real. But just poof. Not to be accounted for in any kind of way. Like that's a lot of money, 3,000 fucking dollars, dude. I was like, oh, that's enough. So then I went back to A Pro, and they take the lowest fees in the game. You can still use the tools on Polex. Just push the button on here. So just in case this is real, I want to just put a little bit in there. Because let's say it is the first dark web on, like the chance is probably not, but you never know. So I want to see if the CA is like related or if it's a news thing. So out of Korea, sus. There it is. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for the Twitter. So no coin, no talk of a coin or anything. So it's fake. So it looks like I got stopped out there on this motherfucker. Alright, I'm done with it, dude. I tried. Like, I tried. I tried to make it work. It probably does migrate at some point, but I'm not going to sit there in it. And there goes half my profits with it. Not half, but just about. Quite a lot of it. Check back on Bitcoin. Seems like I left $10 in it, and it's gone back up now. So maybe it survived that dip. Okay, it did survive the dip. So the only way I'll dip buy coins is if it's like an 80% retracement. That's like really the only way I'll dip buy them. It has to be pretty precise. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this here to 0.8. I want to see if that's what it did. Yeah, pretty close. So now, let's see, maybe it comes down then pops. Yeah, it is free on Ape, yeah. They literally almost take no fees, man. Almost zero. Because it's Jupiter runs it, right? This is Jupiter's meme coin trading platform. So Jupiter is like provides all the liquidity on Solana just about. Like they run as much liquidity as Unichain, and they're only on Solana. So that tells you something. Unichain's all chains, right? And they run just as much volume as they do. So it tells you like they are like the peeps that you want to be using their platform because they don't got no reason to take extra fees and like be shady and shit. You can't even find out what the fees are on BullX. So the only thing I don't like about this is you don't own your I actually have it higher than that. I have it 0.02. And you can even go higher than that. It works just fine. This is the max amount, though. They actually take less than that per trade, though. So Ape intelligently uses the best fee to execute your trades as fast as possible. Say a max fee, not like a fee to use every time, but a max fee. So a lot of times they're not even using that much. Which that again just shows you like they're not douchebags. So we have Cappy here, Luna, DTF. Let's look at DTF. Down to fart. I don't really like this fart coin shit. Let's see what the website takes us to. Instagram. Unless it's a retard farting, I'm not gonna get into it. Oh, it is. Alright. 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 Got me. It's a dangerous area to enter in, though. So I only enter it in with a little bit, and then I'll add into it later. And maybe it gives me a decent dip. This retard shit. I like this retard shit. Oh, Orangey code. Orangey is the biggest retard of them all. Stream community coin. This one's a straight scam. This dude runs a fake kick, and it's just like a recording of it, or Twitch. It's a fake recording that makes you think it's a coin. And people probably fall for it. Yeah, it's that dude. So don't fuck with those ones. Someone should make an orangey retard coin. Because he's like the biggest retard of them all. So let's check out this one here. Grok. There hasn't been a Grok coin in a little bit, but see this? This is not healthy. 0.2. How is it up that high and no one has more than 3% of it? No. There's no way. So sometimes these ones aren't bad though. They're just really bundled. So like with these, I'll just enter in like a little bit and keep track of it. Because if you can get into it after migration, before it like really pops, because sometimes there's like these coins that will like be really up like that, and then after they migrate, they hold it for a little bit. Yesterday, I caught one that went to $1 million. I wish I would have entered in more because it went from like migrated. I got it in like 50K, and then it went to 200K. Held that for a little bit. Went to 600K. Held that, and then last pop it broke up above that. So we have SSR. So strategic shift reserve. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, I'm good on that. And just in the pinned comments of any of the meme coin ones. So you're like meme coin guide, and then the pinned comments, dude. Right here, you just push pinned, and then it's right here. Copy that. Bro. My fucking mouse, dude. There we go. It's just tough, man. Alrighty, guys. I think it's pretty good trading session. I could have handled a little bit better, but I think for... Alright, so now there's two of these. They're both up really big. So see what I'm talking about? I should have entered in with more than on this one, probably. Because if these two are up big, this one probably will follow it. So asked is it 140K? Fuck. So those ones are pretty much equal in following. It looks like the other one maybe got cheated on. So I think I'm in Cappy, right? Which one, man? TTF. So no, it's still cooking. It's doing alright. It's holding its own. The Dancing Cabrera. I don't know what that stands for. So I don't really want to chase those up there, though. So we have Groat Cat. It's on a 93% retracement, though. Asked is at 250K. Fuck, man. I knew that coin was like, remember, I was like, this one's weird. People are going to like it because it's weird. I fucking passed. I sold it like fucking 12K market cap or something like that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so fucking worse, dude. I sold like right there. It sucks, man. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna do it, bro. I have too much pride for that shit. Alright, so we have two SSRs here. 3. So it has a jail one. Which one has the most holders? This one does. So does this new one, though, that's jailed. Let's check out this one. It's a little bit different from the rest of them, so it might have a better chance. So people are buying the fuck out of it. Like a lot of it. Which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It just is if they sell, right? Yeah, I think this is the only way you guys are going to learn. Like, straight up. Like, I've done a lot of one-on-one mentoring, and I noticed once I started trading live with my students that they started actually learning a lot faster. And I was like, And like I had a couple more students did the live trading with them, and then it was just like they found success really quickly, compared to just doing sessions like going over like what are your problems, what is it, which is fine. It's just a slower growth rate. But if they trade with me live and they go through all these different scenarios, because each one's a scenario, because trading's about making decisions, right? If you make the wrong decisions at the wrong time, you're going to fail, all right? It's just how it works. But if you learn how to make the right decisions, not that I always make the right decisions, but I've got a lot of experience. I've taken thousands and thousands of trades, so I'm like familiar with certain scenarios, and those it allows people to fast track. This allows you to fast track and learn from like each scenario we go through. If you go enough streams, we'll eventually go through most scenarios, and then you'll know what to do in most times. And then because I'm transparent, I'm not hiding shit from you. I don't hide my losses. I don't hide my struggles. Then you can learn from my mistakes as well. And then it's like, that's like gasoline on fire for you guys. Mic drop. Boom. All right, it's holding up very nice here. So you're going to watch on this one once this goes up here how much money I make. Make a fuck ton of money on this. If it pushes here. There it goes. So if it's this high volume, it should just like geek up to 30K. And then 40 really quickly. So there's 20. There we go. See that, guys? So I'm up. I have 4 there. I'm up 185 bucks already. Bam. Just like that. Doubled up. So you see, like, after migration, fuck after migration. I don't really fuck with it no more. Like, what's the point when I can do this? You know? Like, is every coin like this? No, but I think it's better chances. It's a higher risk, but obviously, risk comes with a reward. The really big wins are when you don't sell any and it migrates. Those are when you get like, and then it goes like 100K. That's when it gets crazy. But you have to have like a lot of belief in it. So there's 2x right there, guys. There it is. So now I can make this risk free, or I can hold on to it and see if it goes. Like those are my two options. So right now it's just geeking up. So I'm up $280. So now I'm at 560, about 240. Now I'm gonna take 25% off right there. The selling is being eaten up like crazy. Like people are selling and it's just eating it up. So the problem with this is after migration, because it went up so fast, it's going to dump after migration. Sometimes you don't have a chance to even get out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off 50% at 40K there. That's a little over 260% gain. So now I've got really good P&L here, so I'm up $355 on it. And now I can't lose on it either, so that's very good. So now if it does migrate, ooh. Uh-oh. Are they going to kill it? This candle is the one that matters. If it goes below this candle, it's done. There we go. There we go. It's got a lot of volume. It's already got 100K volume. Uh-oh. It could survive if it goes below there, but it might come down to like 15K, and I'm not trying to hold through that, right? Yeah, I don't like the 1 second chart. I can't read it very well. So in futures trading, I watch a 30-second chart. Damn it, I hesitated. I usually watch the 30-second chart in futures, so I kind of naturally just drawn to the 30. I can read it very well. I think the 1 second chart is too much. It stresses me out too much. I get out of coins really quickly because I'm like, oh shit. See if they're gonna kill it here or not. There they go. Okay, they're coming back into it. There we go. Yeah, I think I would say you can look at it, but it's all I like how I always tell people time frame's a personal thing. Like I don't think there's like a specific time frame that's gonna be better for everyone. I think it's whatever you read price best at, that's the time frame you should use personally. There's some people that don't like the time frames I use and they have plenty of success, but then there's others that do, and it's just kind of like it's hard to say. All right, so if we can hold this here, it could push up here. A lot of volume still. The volume hasn't died out. The volume's declining on a dip, which is good. You don't want to see the volume increasing on dips. That's like the main thing. See that? See what I did there is they were selling, a lot of selling, so I just kind of like bought in a row to stop it. So people see green for a second. See that? It stops the selling for a second. But if you do it too much, it becomes like people think it's a bot. What's up, teenager from Mars? I've seen you talking. My bro? My homie? There we go. Alright. So it needs a push here. It's like it needs new traders to come. There we go. So now you see I just doubled up from that push there, just about 13k. It only needs to go to 26 and I double up from where I just bought out. There's a double up right there, dude. So I could totally be a dick right here and just cheat on everybody. Someone just did. Someone beat me to it. Fuck piece of shit. What a dick. He killed it. Yeah, he killed it. Fuck piece of shit, man. JPS, what's that? The coin? Oh, yeah, I can, yeah. Let me get out of this, I'll do it. So it was really just that it was different because there was a bunch of copycats. Fuck, this is gonna hurt. Actually wasn't too bad. Oh, that was gonna be a much bigger loss than that. Okay, so when I looked at it, right, there was a bunch of these coins. Like there was SSR, JPS, and then SSR. And this was the different one from it, and it had the most holders in it. That's really all it was. It just looked a little bit different. Which different is better, right? It's unique, and it's probably gonna better chance of success. So it looks like this one's actually the one that's gonna win. And just the overall volume, like it's got a lot of volume, right? This one we're a little bit late to. It would have been better to get in there. It also makes me think like the same person launched all these. So let's go back and look at that other one and see maybe if they do the same thing. Because it could be like the same team, they'll do this. So I think they're gonna cheat it up here. I have a feeling. No, they're still selling. Yeah, I will say that Bolex has a very good mobile app. A very good mobile app. I can't buy anymore here because I already have 4% of the coin. Um, I really probably need to sell some to get people to even get into it. I really thought they were going to come into it, but they just didn't. So it is what it is. I'm raped on that. So Slow Cook is about graduated. Oh shit. Fucking bitches. Alright, now I'm going to go into this with size here. I should have held on to it. I knew it. I just didn't have the patience. This should do really well after migration, though, I think. I would think, anyways. You never know, though. Alright, any questions, guys? I'm gonna wrap it up there. I don't want my voice to go out. I streamed like for 2 hours earlier on futures. I will answer any questions if you guys have any. Remember, this stream is for you guys, so get the most out of it that you can. Yeah, this is like one of those ones that's gonna go like level to level to level and probably go up really big. But I like this one, never sell. And then you have down growth, which is like Down syndrome with um the growth thing. That's like mixing two metas together. I think that's smart. But that is not, no, that's a scam coin. I like never sell. That's like a positive spin. First rule of crypto, never sell. Trump said that earlier. This one probably runs, I would bet. I think this one's good for after migration coin. I bet, yeah. So then I'll probably just hold this coin because I do think this one probably goes higher after migration. Yeah, there it goes. I do like this one for after migration. I like that one for after migration. I don't really feel like trading anymore. I'm pretty peppered out on it. So I'll probably just hold these and give them a little bit of space and then add in on dips if it gives me any. Alrighty, guys. Unless you got any questions, wrap it up. Going once, going twice. You're welcome, man. Did that answer your question? That's all it really was, bro. Like, there wasn't much to it. I did go over the criteria pretty in depth, like a couple times in the beginning. You're welcome, man. Thanks, bro. I've been getting that a lot lately, so I think my good faith is like starting to pay off. My goodwill, I guess you could call it. My karma bank is filling up. Yeah, well, yeah. If you go to the event section, I'll usually do it ahead of time, or I'll like put it like I did today. I'll put events so everyone can see. Alrighty, guys. I will see you guys Sunday night, and you guys have a good weekend. Take it easy. Peace out. What's the most I've made in a day? So I've made quite a bit in a day. I think one day I made like 12K in one night for meme coins. If you're talking futures and meme coins together, um, the other night I think I made like 18K altogether from payouts, but it was like payouts all came at the end of the day, at the end of the month. So it was kind of like not all made in that day, but as far as like got money in that day. Yeah, because I caught Moby AI. I got in Moby AI at like 10K and it went to 4 million. That was like $3,500 or something like that gained. And then there's a couple other instances like that where I got it pretty much got in really, really early and they ran really, really hard. Any other questions? Oh, alrighty, guys. I know it lags, so I'll give a second here more. Let's see how far behind it is. Oh, it's actually not that far behind at all. Alright, guys. So I will see you guys hopefully in my Discord, right? You guys should join. It's free. I'll see you guys there. Peace out. Links right here. Peace out, guys.